we've come from the Ngāhiri back to this beautiful heritage building, which is the Ngāti Manuhiri Settlement Trust whare, the office. And we've got examples of natural fibres here and an example of a plastic commercial spat catching rope, Carmen. So this is easy to produce, it's cheap, we can produce millions of them and put them in the moana, but it takes a bit more preparation for natural fibres.
Yeah, well, one thing with Māori and our elders is they love technology. And I guess if someone showed us this, our tūpuna this, compared to this, we would think, man, this is pretty mean, pretty awesome. But mass produced by machines, probably not that many people, yes. But us like any other island people of Moana Nui, Kiwa, whole communities get together to make their kupenga or their nets. We've got all the proverbs that talk about when you make this, the strands here break off, like that, they break off, but they go to the sea. They say rereki utaka rereki tai, but they say at the end of the day, they go to the wind and to the water, but they're going to break down, but it takes more people, and I guess that's the difference between industrialisation, you know.
And I think we can learn a lot from Te Tai, the natural environment. If we take a look at this rimu, the seaweed, and the kutai, we can see naturally that they work together.
Yeah, well, you know, because that's a species of rimu, just like the tree that grows on the land, the rimu. And the spat, well, you know, when they put the spat onto the lines, they put a sock around it to catch the spat so that it actually starts to bind to this part here. But this is how it naturally catches. Hey, and what we're proposing to do is to use our own types of rope and matting that'll end up looking like this, but it's so that maybe the socks that they put on these here for the spat to attach to can be attached to our whāriki or our mats naturally with gaps in them, eh?
Right.
Or a main aho tapu, like a main line, and then hopefully that we can figure out a way to get the spat or the ewe and the kākano to catch on and do that. And we believe we can do it because it naturally does it anyway. But it's going backwards and acknowledging that we're trying to keep the environment sacred like how it was created in the beginning. Everything's sacred and it all has the potential to procreate and to reproduce like that. That's a whole lot of kutai. But what we want to do with this kaupapa is go back to what our tūpuna had. We believe it'll take more, it'll be more socially engaging because the community has to do it, which we don't think is a bad thing at all. And exactly. then we're looking after the moana.
Yeah, so keeping everything in balance, working together, and really utilising that mātauranga Māori.
Mm.
Kia ora.
Yeah, kia ora.